The power of these 7 stages of green light thinking is that we are seeking the widest possible selection of ideas and at the same time allowing people the freedom to go deeply with their ideas. Konnichiwa and welcome to the Leadership Japan series, and I'm your host in Tokyo, Dr. Greg Story, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan. And much more importantly, you are a student of leadership, highly motivated to be the best in your business field. If you enjoy the program, then please subscribe on iTunes and leave us a review. We'd love to hear what you think about the series. How would you like your own access to over 103 years of the accumulated wisdom of Dale Carnegie Training? Get our free report, Stop Wasting Money on Training, How to Get the Best Results from Your Training Budget. Plus, our free white papers, guidebooks, reports, training videos, blogs, newsletters, course information, plus much more at japan.dalecarnegie.com. If you have a performance or people challenge in Japan, then maybe we can help you. Contact me at greg.story, that's G-R-E-G, story, S-T-O-R-Y, at dalecarnegie.com. This is episode 128, and today we are discussing idea generation best practice. How best to tap into the idea potential of our work teams. We know that the success of the organization will be determined by the quality of the ideas we generate and the capacity to execute those excellent insights. Gathering folk around the whiteboard and having a free-form pitchfest of ideas is more often destructive than creative. Dominant personalities always hog the whiteboard content. There is usually only one speed of idea creation being employed: fast, which is the easiest but most lightweight. Researchers are questioning whether the group idea creation model actually works best at all. So, how should we involve the team when producing ideas? Here are the steps. Ensure there is a facilitator to run the activity so the process is followed correctly. Use green light, red light thinking to maximize the opportunity to build up our idea bench strength. In the green light phase, we promote idea free flow without impediment. This means no critiquing of ideas as they emerge. Green light thinking moves through 7 stages. Stage 1, silence. We ask that each person sit quietly and think. As they capture an idea, they write it clearly on a post-it note. The individuals in the team attach their post-it notes to the whiteboard, again in total silence. In this way, there is no pressure on anyone. Each person can think at their own pace. There are no power plays underway, and there is no critique of what is being produced. We are seeking quantity, not quality of ideas at this stage. Stage 2. The team go through the post-it notes on the whiteboard together and rearrange them into columns of similar topics. Again, there is no evaluation or commentary on the content, just some clarification as to what was written down, if it is not clear to other members of the group. The column is given a topic name, and this is written at the top of the column. Stage 3. Each of the teams share what they've come up with and present their columns and ideas. Clarification questions are allowed, but no evaluation, just cross-pollination of ideas between the groups. Stage 4. The groups go back to their seats and more time is given again for individual silent thoughts of potential ideas based on the stimulation of others' ideas and the fact of more time to go deeper. As ideas emerge, these are added to the whiteboard. Stage 5. The team members share their newest ideas with each other, place them into the existing columns or create new ones, and then present them to the other groups as before. Stage 6. More time is given to work independently, again stimulated by the ideas generated by the other teams. The final group of post-its are attached to the whiteboard. The ideas are explained and then categorized into the existing columns, or new columns are created. Stage 7. The team members present their newest ideas to the other groups as before. The power of these 7 stages of green light thinking is that we are seeking the widest possible selection of ideas and at the same time allowing people the freedom to go deeply with their ideas. In stage 4, few will be able to come up with any new ideas. That is okay. Some think faster than others and some think more deeply than others. In stage 6, this is even more pronounced, with most people coming up with 0 new ideas. There will be a few, though, who will have ideas, and often these are the most valuable ideas. Now is time to start red light thinking. Stage 1. The ideas that have been arranged in columns are evaluated and reset into priority order. There will be debate and discussion at this point, and choices will be made. Stage 2. The top 10 ideas are presented to the other groups. Stage 3. The individual groups take another look at their priority list and reevaluate based on what they have heard from the other groups. Stage 4. The top 3 ideas of each group are picked up for a group-wide discussion about which ideas will be actioned. Stage 5. The finalist ideas are put to the decision maker for funding or adoption. The keys to success are removing hierarchy and criticism from the idea generation process. Once generated, then the selection of highest priority items provides the final approver with the richest possible harvest of ideas from the total group. Action steps. 1. Use a facilitator to run the event. 2. Follow the process of separating the idea generation stage from the evaluation phase. 3. Alternate individual work with group work. 4. Don't panic if most people tap out early. Keep going to reap the rewards of deeper thought processes from the few. Thank you for joining the Leadership Japan series. If you found the program useful, then please subscribe on iTunes and leave us a review. As mentioned, if you have a performance or people challenge in Japan, then maybe we can help you. Contact me at greg.story, greg.story, story, dalecarnegie.com. Also, remember to access your Dale Carnegie training, free reports, white papers, guidebooks, training videos, blogs, newsletters, course information, plus much, much more. Then go to japan.dalecarnegie.com.